The group Roger Cajole. Roger Cajole. Let's hear it. Very cool. I love the ability to go from place to place via music, let's call it, and seeing the similarities, and that everything is based on chords. Let's see, Roger Cajole. I don't know if this is the right thing. Sorry, I'm on YouTube. I googled it. Oh, it is Roger Cajole. Let's hear what it is. I hear accordion or keyboard. Yeah. F minor. So beautiful. It's foreign and familiar. What does that mean? It's foreign and familiar. We're out traveling in Malaysia and we come across a really cool party. And these guys are up. Roger Cajole is playing. Roger Cajole. And they're like, hey, you play accordion? Come up on stage and play. This is my biggest fear and my biggest excitement. And I'm standing there and I look at the bass player and I let the song start. And I'm like, oh. F minor, C7, B flat minor. Is that confusing? No, we have an accordion. So we're up on stage, me and you, and I say it's F minor. It's C7. It's B flat minor. Back to F minor. That's our 1, 5, minor 4. So many songs that we know this way. We do. It's We Do by The Simpsons. It's Moscow Nights. There's a F minor to C major. So again, the similarities between music internationally is really cool. Let's keep listening. Beautiful song, right? I'll pause there, but these are familiar chord patterns. I'm going to give a little spiel. Will sheet music help? Yes. Lead sheets will help. So it says F minor to C major to B flat minor, and then there's the bridge, which was B flat minor, E flat to A flat to C sharp to G to the C to B to F minor. That helps to read. It's a lot of chords to remember. What helps even more is understanding that these set of chords I've seen before. It's Fly Me to the Moon. Fly me to the moon. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-da-ba. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. To me, how are those songs related? I'll sing over that part, and you'll hear it too, because my fingers have gone through those chords. Fly me to the moon, da-da-da-da-ba-da-ba-da. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars, etc. It makes sense in my mind, but once you've played those chords, you're like, oh, I've seen those chords. So it's easy for traveling in Malaysia, or there's a Malaysian band playing, we can come up and play with them. Oh, they also did a cover of Fly Me to the Moon. Amazing. Anyways, Ray Frogger, thank you for that suggestion.